Is your HR team looking for a way to streamline and automate manual tasks? Well, in this video, we'll explore airSlate's no-code bots. Our revolutionary bots allow HR professionals to easily automate repetitive and time-consuming tasks, freeing up valuable time for more important duties. Our powerful automation technology will handle processing paperwork and routine HR inquiries for you, leaving you free to focus on more strategic tasks that require your expertise.
Use airSlate's no-code bots to automate routine manual tasks in any document workflow. To do so, in your airSlate account, create a new flow or select the template or version you want to work with. From the Documents tab, select the type of document you need and start customizing it by adding the basic elements to it. From the Workflow tab, add steps to your flow, assign access permissions, and based on what you want to automate, add bots to the steps. To find which bots best suit your workflow needs, click Add Bot to Step. Based on their functionality, bots are divided into 4 categories: automation, data movement, integration, and permissions. Pick the bot you need, click Install Bot, go through the bot settings, and click Apply Setup. Want to develop new skills and gain recognition? Click the link in the top right corner to take one of our free courses.
Are you ready to start automating your routine operations now? If so, go to airslate.com and get your free trial that you can cancel anytime with no obligations.